So can freezing on camera just be down to memory overload? So for the first 13 videos I did on this channel, well, 13 of this series of 100 videos in 100 days, I planned a little, granted not a lot, but I have done some prep, sort of knew what I wanted to talk about, and pretty much every time I pressed record I'd freeze. I'd normally have a couple of takes where I'd just freeze, I'd have to sort of start again, and then I'm allowing myself 2 takes. I'd probably still freeze in the middle of one of them, and probably in more than one of them. I need to edit that a little bit. And I've been trying ways to see if I can ease that a bit. And some of them have not been so successful. Some of them have been helpful, but had some downsides. But I kind of accidentally came across the cure for the problem, but it's not one I would recommend. So for the last 3 videos, I have literally just been pressing record and rambling at the camera for a couple of minutes. Basically, my health, I had a major health flare-up after a family wedding. Lovely wedding, but exhausting. And the best I could do if I wanted to get a video out was literally ramble at the camera for a couple of minutes. No prep, haven't even done the descriptions on the videos. I'll have to go back and do that at a later point. But I didn't freeze. I didn't freeze at all. I had no issues whatsoever. So it's like, is it a memory issue then? Is it that, obviously when I press the record button, it does trigger me to freeze, but is that because I'm expecting too much from my memory? So the first take of this video, I tried working with notes. It kind of helped, but not exactly. I think it had the same problem I have with the filming in smaller chunks, that the sort of stop-start element of it just kind of makes it harder from the, oh, I'm recording and I'm on camera element. So again, maybe helpful down the line. Right now, probably not the way to go. But I do think maybe the memory is part of the problem. Just being able to remember what I'm talking about and talk through it confidently is part of the issue of why I stall out. Not quite sure how to solve that right now. I mean, it might be that perhaps a little bit extra practice before, maybe earlier in the day. So commit that more to memory so it comes more naturally, and I'm not doing it just before I actually film so it doesn't sort of stress me out because I'm about to film. That might work. That's something I need to try. I honestly don't know. I guess this one's an open question. I don't think severe migraine is the way to go to be able to, not freeze on camera. But it did highlight an interesting issue there, that I didn't freeze when I didn't prepare. Maybe that's how far I've come in the last 17 days. Maybe I can now speak a bit more confidently on camera. And because I didn't have that underneath, you must do something useful, that took the pressure off. It might just be that. Or it could be, I'm just trying to remember what I'm saying, and that just takes a lot more cognitive effort than just rambling at a camera. I don't know. I'll keep experimenting, and I guess we'll find out.